Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to block out times on Calendly. This is incredibly useful when you need to prevent people from booking appointments during specific hours, whether it's for personal commitments, meetings, or just time you need to focus on other work. First, open your web browser and head over to calendly.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account where you manage your scheduling and availability settings. After logging in, you'll land on your Calendly homepage. This is your main dashboard where you can see all your event types and scheduling options. Now, direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll find the navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Availability and click on it. This section is where you control when you're available for bookings and when you're not. Once you're in the Availability section, you'll see your weekly schedule laid out with all the time slots you've currently set as available. This is where the magic happens for blocking out times. The interface makes it really simple to manage your calendar and ensure you're only bookable when you want to be. To block out an entire day from your availability, all you need to do is click the X that appears next to that day. This action will remove that entire day from your available booking times, meaning nobody will be able to schedule appointments with you on that particular day. It's perfect for blocking out weekends, holidays, or any full day when you know you'll be completely unavailable. Now, if you don't need to block out a whole day but just want to block out a specific time slot, the process is just as straightforward. Look at the individual time slots within your schedule and you'll see an X beside each one. Just click the X beside the specific time slot you want to make unavailable. This gives you granular control over your schedule, allowing you to block out just an hour or two while keeping the rest of your day open for bookings. This is especially helpful when you have a meeting, appointment, or personal commitment during just part of your day. The beauty of this system is its flexibility. You can mix and match, blocking out entire days when needed and specific time slots on other days. This ensures your Calendly calendar accurately reflects your true availability, preventing double bookings and scheduling conflicts. And that's it. You've now learned how to block out times on Calendly, giving you complete control over when people can and cannot book time with you. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.